Hi, my name is Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer, Eagle Scout, and most importantly, I'm an American. Happy 4th of July, America. Today we're going to do a little campfire cooking, share some food from all around the country, but first I want to tell you about a few Americans you might have heard about. The first person I want to talk about is Robert Fulton. In 1807, he created the first steamboat, thereby allowing people to transport their goods all across America even before it was completely settled. The next person is George Eastman. In the late 1800s, he created the ubiquitous camera that is now on practically everybody's cell phone. Then there's George Washington Carver. This guy went from slavery to becoming one of the most famous American inventors of the later half of the 1800s. He changed agriculture forever and created the world of agriculture as we know it. Then there was Thomas Edison. For without that guy and his 1,000 failures and dedication to his vision, we wouldn't have light bulbs and we'd be sitting in the dark. I live right near an airport in Grand Teton National Park. Who could forget Orville and Wilbur Wright? On December 17th, 1903, these two people had the first successful powered flight in the world. On August 25th, 1916, President Woodrow Wilson signed national parks into existence, arguably America's greatest idea. In the 1950s, Rear Admiral Grace Hopper created the programming languages that we all use today to create the wonderful software that has completely changed our world. In 1947, the transistor was created by a team of Americans who made Rear Admiral Grace Hopper's work possible. Without these people, we wouldn't have the technology we have today. And with that technology, America set the first foot on the moon on July 20th, 1969, with Neil Armstrong stepping on the first otherworldly body. In 1977, America launched Voyager 1, and in 2013, this American invention left the solar system, the first man-made object to leave our interstellar space. On July 20th, 1976, Viking 1, an American probe, made the first landing on Mars. And in the mid-20th century, a team of Americans created the internet. So now in 2018, we all can watch our cat videos. And Americans gave us the space shuttle, the most complex and impressive vehicle ever made. And on January 9th, 2007, an American visionary, Steve Jobs, gave us this, the iPhone, again, changing the world. See, America, it doesn't matter whether you sit in the red chair or you choose to sit in the blue chair, or maybe you stand in between them or even not at all. America, it's our unity that makes us special. Sure, diversity is great, it gives us a wondrous variety of opinions, but it's the unity of America that makes all the difference. Just a couple weeks ago in Grand Teton National Park, 24 people were naturalized as U.S. citizens. These 24 newly minted Americans were excited about going to jury duty, about being an American. So whatever your perspective is, it really doesn't matter. Because whether you enjoy your Southwest fajitas, maybe your apples from the Pacific Northwest, your cheese from, well, where else is cheese from but Wisconsin, your corn from the Midwest, how about some beans from New England? You enjoy the fruit of the 50th state? Pickles from North Carolina? Some sourdough bread from California? Grapefruits from the American desert? Sweet potatoes from the South? Potatoes from where else but the Rockies in Idaho? Or your Southern-style potato salad that you're going to enjoy in this picnic. Just remember, when you're all together with your friends and family, you're all Americans, and that's what makes us the greatest country on earth. Happy 4th of July, America.